Hey everyone, welcome back to the Work and Dirt channel. Now first of all, I want to say our title is just a little bit clickbaity, but it doesn't discount that these are two serious matters we need to deal with before we live full-time in our RV on our property. So stick around to find out how this goes down. All right, it's a nice Friday here, and we were planning on coming up and working on the plumbing for the pool, but like many days, sometimes the plan goes interrupted by random things. And for us, it was last night a mouse, actually two, it was a buddy system, kind of woke us up, and so we're gonna use the time to clean things up around here. We're gonna grade the ground underneath the RV and then put down weed block, spray some deterrent for the rodents, and then also block any possible cavities that could allow them to get inside. That way we have a little more peace of mind. They're only little mice, not big rats, so we're gonna take care of that and then get back to the pool plumbing. So here we go. So the plan was to use the big 24-inch Husqvarna, but someone put the chain brake on wrong or something, because it wasn't wanting to let the chain spin. So we're gonna bring out an old Homelight 3514C and see if it can at least slice this stump. There's only 2/3 of the stump left, and we're gonna try to make a slice here and there to allow us to kind of break it off, because this is gonna be our temporary front yard, and we need to get rid of it, at least the top. I don't really care about the roots, so if we can cut, then hopefully, and maybe axe the bottom, then maybe we can pull it over with the tractor. I don't know, we're in for some unknown here. I'm taking you guys along. Let's see if she'll start up and run. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fun. See, that's why you don't always need tractors. Just a little muscle, maybe a little chainsaw action. Let's see if I can get this last one. Left-handed. Oh yeah. There we go. One more piece. Feel lucky for me? Woo! I feel a tingle all the way up the handle. This one's a little tougher. We're gonna have to use a chainsaw Yeah, we'll try one more cut. Actually, we'll try one more split. I see a little crack here. So maybe we can get some action. There we go. 1989 World Series, right here. Howdy. Last man standing. Alright. Oh, this one's a tough one, eh? Left-hander. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright. Let's try another split then. There we go. That's what I want. This is breaking into a root ball. Almost done. Yeah. From that root.
I'm gonna make a little burrito or something.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm pretty hungry.
Take a burrito. I got two little ones. All right, you got me two right-handers.
Oh, I didn't even look. You need a left?
Not urgently,
What
but
was that?
sorry. I've been whacking a stump throw. Whew, man, when you swing a 10-pound sledge, it's a little hard. It makes all your nerves just jiggle in your arm. You got it, babe. Yep, exposed the millipedes home, but now we're subgrade almost, pretty much, yeah. Now we can use the tractor, get rid of this stuff and start grading the ground. I should kill that millipede though. All right, on with the tangents. We are preparing to live in this thing for a while, so before we do, we took this back to our shop and took off every area that is prone to rats and mice. We don't really see many rats, but we have seen trails of mice, and so we want to block every entry. As you can see, like right here, there's a hole, and then over here, yeah, check that out. That's a huge gaping hole.
You can see the cement.
Yeah, you can see the cement. So not only is that bad for insulation, but that's just asking for rodents to come in. So we are exposing everything and then cleaning, and then that whole area had this little cover on it, and it was filled with acorns and leaves and a bunch of stuff.
I just cleaned it out. You missed it. Sorry.
Oh, thank you, Tara. But it looks like someone tried, or maybe that was a factory, they foamed a hole over there.
Yeah, I think the last owners tried that hole and then this foam too, because they were probably coming all the way around the walls.
Yeah. So we want to be rodent proof. This is why it's good to take things apart sometimes. As you see right there, that's a baby mouse.
Dead.
And it's nasty, dead. And I think that is a portion of the smell, Tara.
Yeah.
That's newer. And then in order to check underneath this shower pan, I don't know why they made this cutout window for inspection when you can't see barely anything. And if you did, you can't even get to it. This whole thing should be like an access panel so people can maintenance their stuff, but these things are definitely not built to allow the homeowner to maintenance things. So we might cut our own panel out of this so we can service and clean and inspect things behind here, or go from the back garage, which is behind the wall, and make our own access panel. So now once we clean this, it's just going to give us a lot more peace of mind. I forgot to add the magical ingredient, which is some steel wool. Yeah, just mix it all around. I probably should have put this in first, but like I said, I forgot, and now we're doing it, so whatever. And I don't think dynamic motion will cause any abrasion to these wires with the steel wool. I think we'll be safe on that. So let's put some more in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna hold the RV together. All right, they're not gonna come through that. Either that or they're gonna have no teeth when they're done. All right. All right, time to wash these bad boys after we cleaned out all the mice areas. We are starting to sweep off all the dirt on top that's been collected, and we got underneath and also tightened up some wires, found a couple loose nuts here and there, and found out, you know, you have some broken knobs on the sewage pipes. Number 2. Perfect job for a hot day, right, babe?
So hopefully the rodents will not be able to get into our RV anymore. And if you guys want to use the rodent proof foam that we used, we linked it in the description below. And if you have any tips or tricks that you use to keep rodents out of your RV, share them with everyone. I'm sure other people would like to know as well.
Yeah, you can't learn enough ways how to keep those things at bay. And then hopefully next time you guys tune in, we'll be finally moved up here, living full-time in our RV, and I'm sure there's more surprises and issues we'll have to take care of then. But again, if you guys can like or subscribe, that really helps our channel out. We appreciate it because your viewership helps our channel support veterans, trails, and charities each quarter. Thank you for that. Until next time.
Do work.
Yeah! We did all the hard work before.